Don't touch that. And don't get your hopes up.
My hopes aren't up.
I'm timing you.
Hello, Rizzo.
Don't get attached.
I'm not attached.
There's still 4 days till she goes up for adoption.
I know.
When the dog has a chip, we gotta wait. The owner could claim it.
I'm aware of that.
We have other dogs, you know.
Not from me.
Thank you, son.
Sure.
Reggie, come here.
What's up with that guy?
Not opening the cage.
Just a couple of minutes.
We don't allow unsupervised visits.
Hello, Judith.
Judith? Wait. What happens if more than one person wants the same dog?
There's a lottery.
What kind of lottery?
You come tomorrow morning, put your name in, the ticket we draw gets the dog.
Wait, but shouldn't it be the best person? I mean, the person who loves the dog the most?
That's not for me to decide.
Skibo!
Hey, Oliver!
How fucked up are you?
I'm pretty fucked up.
Okay, write this down. Listen, I need you to come with me to the pound tomorrow. There's this old man trying to steal my dog, and they have this lottery thing, so I'm gonna bring a whole bunch of people. We're all gonna put our names in, and that way I'm guaranteed to win.
An old man? That is so sad. Like, how old?
I don't know. Old. He's just gonna die, and she's gonna end up right back at the pound.
Maybe his wife died or something.
He calls the dog Judith.
So?
So that is not her name.
Well, maybe his dead wife's name is Judith.
What part of I just pushed a baby out of my body do you not understand?
You can bring your baby.
It is completely immoral.
I am your friend. I am the one that you should care about.
He probably lives all alone.
I live all alone. He can't even walk her. He's a cripple.
That's an evil, twisted, fucked up plan, man.
So you'll do it?
No!
Hell yeah!
Awesome. Tomorrow, 8 a.m.
No. 8 a.m. That's bananas.
Hi, Dr. Newman. This is Oliver Katz. Have kind of a weird favor to ask you.
Okay, people, get your tickets in. Thank you, sir. Thank you. What's up, man?
So what? All these old people just decided to show up and bid on the same dog?
Looks like it.
It's cheating. Hello, Rizzo.